Dragon fruit tree gone wild. I'm at my neighbor's. These are just some fake flowers at the top. But I planted this on his dead tree stump here some years ago. I don't remember how long. Hopefully the tree stump won't wobble out, rot out. And anyway, it hasn't been trimmed for a long time. So we're going to go through some trimming real quick. And make sure we follow everything up carefully. So to start off, we're going to nip these off here. Nip those off. Wow. Nip these insiders off. And this piece here, that piece I'm working on comes around here, up here, splits off here, and goes up here to here, and comes up to here. Okay, wonderful. So, the one I was working on was this one. I'm going to start trimming some of this extra stuff off down here. 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 Okay. And we come up from that to here to this little new piece. So they say you should always leave two pieces, and this looks like the second one, not looking too good, but it's there. Here is two fruits, one fruit there, or a flower bud. You can see it right here. And another flower bud right here. So I just want to be really careful what I'm cutting off here. Oh. Okay, that's a nice new growth. That's an old growth. I want to get some of this off of here, because this is, this stuff's flowering at the bottom right now. I don't want to take off too much. I want to be careful what I take off. Where's this broken piece going? Oh my gosh. Okay, the broken piece is this whole thing here. We want to promote some fruit down here, so we're going to go ahead and nip the ends off. We're going to go ahead and let that grow. Let's nip the end off here. Ay caramba, this one-handed business is not working good. Nip the end off. Sorry. Okay, nip the end off right there. Okay. That's the end. That goes to there. That goes to there. This one's coming off. That went to the same one. And this is going up to here and splitting off into that nice three thing. So I'm going to get rid of this one. That's on the same branch. And I'm going to get rid of this one below on the same branch. And this one's fruiting, so we're going to leave it. And what we're going to do again here then is nip this to hopefully promote some fruiting on this piece. Ouch. Okay, I'm going to let these get a little bit longer before we do anything with those. Looks like there's something I could nip over here. So let's nip this real quick. Okay, sorry about the loss of camera, but I need two hands for some of this. Okay, nipping ends to hopefully promote fruit. get up here and there's not a lot I want to cut out right now. Well, I got 1, 2. This could blow out some fruit, so we'll leave that. What's going on here? We'll tie this up. This will get tied up. This will get nipped. Nipping. Okay. Nip the end off of that. Let's nip the end off of this. Nipped. Alrighty. Why are you still here? You're here. Oh, you're not necessary. Okay, so you're coming off. Just that little piece right there. Throw that in there. What's this and this? Okay, cut-offs. Yeah, there's that flower right there. And this is coming up right by that flower, and I might leave that and bring it straight up eventually. What are you doing? Just falling here? So if you come off, then I have 1, 2. Okay. So you are coming off. Clean that up. What about you? There's no reason for you to be on here except to get nipped. In case you can flower. And then we'll come check this again some other time. So we've nipped a lot of the edges, left a little bud there. For now, it looks like 2 buds. 1 there, 1 there. Soil's super good, whatever they're doing in it. Mine don't grow buds that well and that fast. She's got a lot of new growth compared to me. It's that Monsanto I think they're using. Got a little damage on that flower right there. Alright, and here's the other one I trimmed up. This was out of control also. But trying to get it to grow up so I can get the top to look like an umbrella. Whoa. Caught himself a fly or something. Okay, so that's it with the dragon fruit. Got it tied up, cut up, nipped up, ready to roll.